Paul, this is Phil.
Hi, Phil.
Plants and trees need very little to grow and develop.
So, they were small before?
Seeds, actually.
Whoa, really?
The seed is buried in the ground and given water. In time, the plant will grow.
I'd like to know more, please.
Well, you know the stem. These are the leaves. Up top are the petals. And the face contains seeds.
Seeds?
To grow more sunflowers.
How plants grow is amazing to me. Sunlight and air come from above. They meet in the leaves, and then the plant does an amazing thing. Haven't you heard? It makes its own food. It's got its own word. Photosynthesis. Say it with me. Photosynthesis. That's how plants feed.
For the next 2 weeks, Jalen and Lauren check their seed. And fill out their chart. They watch as roots develop and mark that in their chart. The plant grows and needs more water. Nurtured by sunlight, warmth, and water, their bean plant has outgrown their jar in just 2 weeks and needs to be transplanted into nutritious soil.